Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain how to structure a formal email in English correctly. So let's get started. It's very important that you know that writing professional emails is a skill that is very important in our studies, in our jobs, and also in others, we can say formal situation in our lives as well, right? For this reason, this day we are going to follow and also know all these steps that we are going to use it to structure in the correct way, right? So let's get started. Okay, first of all, the subject line should be clear and concise because in that way it gives the recipient an idea of what the email is about, right? For example, as you can see, in our case, we are surely applying for a marketing assistant position, as you can see. So these parts, it should be so clear and concise. Okay, as step number 2, we have, as you can see, the greeting. And we usually start with a polite greeting. And also, if you don't know, for example, the recipient's names, you can use their Mr. Lopez or Mr. Hernandez as well. And also, it's very important to mention that if you don't know the name, you can write, for example, their hiring manager or to one it may concern. Now let's move on the body of the email, okay? It should be structured, as you can see, into 3 short paragraphs. And well, in this case, I divided into 3 colors. In color red, we have we can say the introduction, introduce ourselves, and the purpose of the email as well. And as you can see in color green, we have, we can call it provided details or supporting information as well. And in third, we have in color blue, mention any action that we expect, right, from the recipient, such as reply, very important, or a meeting request. Remember that right now I have divided into by colors to make it more easier to identify each part. But in the next step, everything will be together. Okay, now as you can see, we have our email in more order and more structure as well. So in that way, we can pass to the next step, which is the conclusion, right? So you will see. Okay, and now we can pass to the last step. As you can see, we have the closing, in which we are going to add a polite closing phrase. For example, we can use sincerely, best regards, and for me the best we can use, which is looking forward to your response, right? And also, as you can see, I like to include my full name, my position as well, and at least we can add, for example, your contact information as well, right? So now we have our email complete, right? And in this way, you have a very formal structure for your email. In summary, we can say that writing a professional email requires a lot of clarity and organization as well. Always remember that by following all these steps, clear subject, polite greeting, organized body, and finally a professional closing. By using all these, you can ensure effectively communication. Well, finally, I hope that this guide was helpful. Thanks a lot for your watching and your attention as well. And thanks a lot to Miss Lisette for all the support. So that's all for my part. Bye!